My name's Andrew Hickson. I live in a small town called Cave Creek, which is just to the north of Phoenix in Arizona. As you can probably tell from my accent, I'm not a native of these parts. I'm originally from Manchester in England. I was lucky enough to marry a beautiful woman from Iowa back in 2012, and I've lived out here in America ever since. You are the face of the franchise. You're the only face of the franchise. It's very much a one-on-one relationship, and it is a very direct contact. You care very much about getting the right deal for your customers. So I really appreciated that you went the extra just to get the right deal, rather than just settling on the first kind of opportunity and saying, there you go, that's the best I could do. You then went and explored other things to then come back with the right deal. Just frustrated. I got a long way down the line with a number of dealers, and I was just fed up of my phone blowing up, my email box just exploding. And once you've put your name in something like TrueCar, you're just inundated, and then they all start playing their games, and I just thought, I don't have time for it. I have a very busy, kind of 70, 80 hour work week. It was much easier to say, hey, look, this is what I want. I was very explicit about what I needed, and let somebody else carry out that work. So that's why I went down that line. It was a personal touch, but it was a one-to-one relationship. So that's what I liked. It was just a very good experience all around. So from prompt communication, the initial kind of tell me what you're looking for, vetting, your honesty about you can't help everybody, that kind of stuff. I thought all that was excellent. So there was nothing that I kind of walked away from and said, yeah, that wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. So yeah, I really think you guys did a good job.